India's exam chaos. What went wrong? In India, many students are protesting after problems with government exams. These are the SSC exams, which help people get government jobs. Some exams were cancelled at the last minute, and some students were told their exam time or location had changed. Many students said they did not get enough notice. Because of this, they missed their exam or felt confused and angry. Teachers also joined the protest. A well-known teacher, Neetu Singh, spoke to the crowds. The biggest protest happened in Delhi, where some students said police used sticks to push people away. Videos of the protests spread on social media with the hashtag SSC mismanagement. The students want the government to fix the problems and make exams more fair. They say they worked hard for years, and mistakes like this hurt their future. The exam office has not clearly explained what went wrong. Some people said there were computer problems and planning mistakes, but many students do not believe that is enough. The protests show how important trust and fairness are in education. Many people now want change.